you a holiday paper crafting procrastinator? Then we want you at our next Fall 2022 Stamping Staycation. If you tend to put off making your cards until the last minute, or you tend to fall back on designs that you always use, we want you to get some fresh new inspiration and lots of great ideas for your card making this holiday season. And we've got our 8th Stamping Staycation coming to you on September 23rd and 24th, 2022. This is hard to believe, it's our 8th retreat, but myself, Marilyn, and Lillian, we got together when we couldn't get together, and we offered a paper crafting retreat for everybody. We've had a great response, and we have a bunch of folks in our community from across Canada and into the States, so we want to keep it ongoing. So why don't you take a peek at some of the designs that we've made in previous retreats, and then I'll tell you more about it. We have challenges before the retreat so you can enter to win prizes. During our Friday night Getting to Know You session, this time we've added a live stamp along besides games and Q&A. On Saturday, you get to see 6 live presentations, and we'll do that throughout the day, each with a detailed PDF written tutorial that you can pick up right after the event. And so lots of our guests make the projects in the next week or right after that, but you don't actually stamp along with us. And the idea here is that we want you to use your stash, we want you to see the entire process, and then we want you to get down and get crafty. We also share tons of alternate designs so that you can start your own creative engine and think about what you have in your own stamping stash. You get to take part in the fan favorite secret stamping session, so that's on Saturday. You get to be creative along with us, and don't worry, we give you a supplies list in advance so that you don't have to rush around. We also have 3 pre-recorded tip videos throughout the day, and these are just things that we've learned over years of paper crafting, so we want to share them with you. Your day is jam-packed, full of activity, plus the Friday night activity, and it's only $52 Canadian. One other great thing that's new this time is if you bring a friend who's new to us, you both will get the retreat for 25% off. And if you've never attended yourself and you bring a friend, you both get that same deal. Although our event does take place on a private Facebook group, we know that not everybody is into Facebook, and we know that not everybody can make it on the 23rd and 24th. So we pre-record our how-to videos and we send them out to you soon after our event is over. We send you a link to some of the conversation and the community things that took place too, so you can take part in everything whenever you can get around to it. We would be thrilled to have you join in too. So how do you register? If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link in this video that you can just click on to take you to the registration page. And if you're watching this on my site, just click that Register Now button. When you register, you'll get a welcome email with a link to the private Facebook group. We want you to get in there right away because we're starting activities on September 3rd. And these are challenges that you want to take part in because there's prizes. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me at joe@designwithjoe.ca. And other than that, we'll be looking for you on the 23rd and the 24th.